It's a 2014 Case 750M, low ground pressure. It's got 28-inch tracks, new rails, new sprockets, new engine, new computer, and an entire new wiring harness. Case did the engine and the wiring harness. We did the tracks, the sprocket, the cutting bits, fan motor on the AC. Let's see if it'll start. New sprocket and chain, new motor put in by Case, new computer and wire harness by Case. I had to lift the cab off to put that wiring harness on. One of the fans went out for the AC motor. I need one of those. 2,358 hours on the frame, new motor, new tracks, new sprockets, new cutting bits since it's been on this farm.